And we are back with another Marble Run video. This time I'm not in my basement, I'm in Las Vegas at my aunt and uncle's house. And if you're wondering why there's some new pieces, that is because my cousin has his own Marble Run, so I incorporated some of his pieces into my Marble Run, but still mostly my pieces. Anyway, so this one starts about halfway up this set of stairs, comes down, turns the corner, and goes down there and ends right in there. So let's give it a try. And that's the Marble Run. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And that's it.